We have observed that certain plants have leaves which are green in color. And sometimes these leaves lose their green color and may turn orange or red. Now, why do we see this color present in leaves? Now, it is because of a cell organelle called plastids that we see different colors present in leaves. So, let's look at what plastids are. Now, plastids are a cell organelle present in plants and most algae. And note that they are absent in animal cells. Now, plastids are of two types. One of them is white or colorless and the other is colored. Now, the white or colorless plastid is called leucoplast. Leuco meaning white. And the colored plastid is called chromoplast. Chromo meaning colored in Greek. Now, let's look at what the leucoplast does. The leucoplast functions in storing starch, oil and protein granules. Now, let's look at the chromoplast. Now, chloroplast is a plastid which is a part of chromoplast. And the chloroplast is called the kitchen of the cell. Now, why is it called the kitchen of the cell? Now, chloroplast has a pigment called chlorophyll which is responsible for making food for the plant. So basically, chlorophyll is the site for photosynthesis. Now, let's look at the structure of the chloroplast. If you observe chloroplast under a microscope, you will observe a structure looking like flows stacked on each other. This structure, which looks like stacks of flows, is called the thylakoid. And the space surrounding the thylakoid is called the stroma. Now, there are certain types of bacteria that lack plastids, but they are still able to carry out photosynthesis. Now, how do they do so? So, the chloroplast is present in the membrane of the bacteria, and this chloroplast helps in the process of photosynthesis.